Hello all, welcome back to my channel UDreamVDesign. I hope you're all doing great. Today I have received my happy mail from my favorite crafter Gifts Nest, that is her real name is Vasavi. So she had sent me a happy mail while all the Telugu crafters played a small happy mail to interact with each other to know the persons personally. So she had sent me this beautiful happy mail. I'm very excited to open this and see what she had sent me. So now just open this. Our packing is very hard to remove, so let's open this quickly and see what she had sent me. I'm waiting eagerly. Wow, floral theme paper. She wrapped with a floral theme. I think all people love to play with bubble wraps, so even I am the same. First I thought not to cut that bubble wrap. I wanted to use it, like reuse it, but it did not work out well. So I started tearing the bubble wrap so that I can open the gift very speed. So this is the packing she had made for this happy mail, and really I love this packing. And even I thought to save this bubble wrap, this gift wrapping, but it did not turn up. So I started tearing it because I could not. Wow, did you see? It is a beautiful theme. Wow, it's just awesome, beautiful. So it is telling that beautiful. So this is what she had sent me, a small glimpse of the happy mail she had sent me. So now let's open this beautiful box to see what are the treasury things are inside. So just now, so you have seen this top lid, it is made of acetate lid, and wow, a bunch of tag book with embellishments. I really loved it. To the true thing, I did not make this. So my Kit Kat chocolates, thank you so much. Sorry for the background noise if you hear anything. And you see a small rosette. It says amazing, and two small mini cards. I love the designs of your cards. Shaker card. And here comes the album. A mini album, right? Yes, let's open this. I loved her theme paperback collection and all, beautiful. It states that. So this is just a raw album where I can place my photos. Definitely I'll place all my photos, and once again I will show you how did I place the photos, and I'll take a video with wow, what embellishments. I loved it. Thank you Vasavi, I really loved it so much. And do you want to know one thing? She had sent me one more happy mail after she had sent me the first one, because she was not satisfied with that. So she had sent me one more happy mail which contains all raw materials, I guess. So now let's open this also and see what she had sent me inside. So eagerly waiting what she had sent me. This was sent after 1 week, I guess, after the first happy mail. So that's why it was shooted in two different locations. So now let's open this slowly and see what she had sent me. I was really excited and super happy because you have sent me two happy mails. It's not just one but two. Thank you so much. So now let's open this very quickly and we shall see. As you all know, bubble wrap and gift wrapping sheets. Now we shall look into detail each and everything. This is a small mini box. Wow, so cute, right? What she have kept? Let's guess. Okay, we shall see now. It is very nice, a small mini explosion box. What she have kept? Wow, honey chocolates. Guys, do you remember these chocolates? Thank you so much. These are my favorite from the school time. Thank you so much. And this is like wooden clips she had sent me. So next comes the paper clips, which are arranged in an order, and the washi tapes, which are small size. So beautiful creativity ideas, how she'll get, right? So packing is also very nice. Some shaker elements. How did you create all this, Vasavi? I'm really feeling jealous of you. It's okay, but look at this. Wow, it's mind blowing. The red shape, embellishments placed. Wow, thank you so much. I really feel very happy. I'm really happy with the second happy mail also. It was really packed in a super duper way. Look at these ribbons and double side tape. She had sent in all red theme. Previous was the blue theme, and now she had sent me in the red theme. And this one is a paper pack with some tag elements and pattern sheets. Wow, this was amazing gift. Really, I loved your happy mail. The second one is more super, and the first one is more super. I just really loved it. Thank you so much, Vasavi, for sending me this. Like, not this, the both happy mails. You kept a lot of effort to make me happy. I'm really thankful to you as you became my partner of the happy mail. I really loved you.